Welcome to BackstoryPrints.com. I'm Monique. I am the co-founder and marketing director for BackstoryPrints.com, and I'm so happy to have you here. I just want to quickly show you with this demo how to create your first product on BackstoryPrints.com, and how to create your first order as well. So let's get started. Okay. First things first, I would highly recommend that you create an account, right? So you need an account basically to check out, to save your designs, to do any of that. You need an account. So um, before you start, just go right here to this little man and create your account. So I have already created an account. Um, Monique at backstoryprints.com, but creating an account is super easy. Click on create account, um, enter your first name, your last name, email, and password, and it's done, right? So I've done that, so I'm just going to sign in. And then as soon as you sign in, you'll see I have placed some orders already, but I'm going to place some more orders just to show you guys. Okay, cool. So now I've signed in. Next thing is that I just wanted to bring to your attention that if you need any samples, we understand that using a new print provider can be scary. So if you need any samples, just drop us a mail at helpme@backstoryprints.com and we'll send you a code. So you'll actually pay less for samples than you would for a regular order. You could also reach out to us on this little chat box or give us a call on our landline. Any of those, we'll get back to you. Also, there's a contact us form. So whichever way you need to get hold of us, we're ready and waiting. Um, all right, cool. So now let's create our first product. So for this demo, just view all. I think I'm going to do, let's do a Bella Canvas 6400. Okay, cool. So now it brings us to the product detail page, and you'll see a few things on this product detail page that I just want to draw your attention to is firstly the price. So this price is for the t-shirt plus one side printing. So either the front side or the back side. If you want to do an additional side, there is an additional cost that is explained or laid out for you on the next step, right? But this 845 is for the T and one print side. Secondly, the size and color boxes here is more for your information, so you can see what sizes we have available right now and what colors we have available in the 6400. So you'll see here 2XL is slightly more expensive, and if you've been in print on demand at all, you'll know that anything 2XL and up is always slightly more expensive than your extra smalls to extra larges. Another thing I need to just bring your attention to is the print file. So for this tee specifically, we need a print file 14 inches by 16 inches at 300 dpi. 300 dpi means that it's pretty high resolution, and the print will turn out really good. I also need to tell you that just remember, whatever design you submit, make sure that it's always a PNG, right? If the image has a background, your print is going to have a background. So make sure that your images are PNGs. And then last thing is the shipping. It's $4 flat rate anywhere in the US plus an additional $150 for each additional unit. So just on that note of shipping, please note that we only ship to the US right now. We are expanding, definitely. And as soon as we do, we will include Canada and Europe and the rest of the world. But for now, it's just the US. Right. Now, let's go to customize. While we wait for this page to load, one thing that I must tell you guys is we do not offer integration right now with Etsy, Shopify, WooCommerce, so any of those sites. We are seriously working on it to get it done super fast, because we know as previous sellers of t-shirts, we know that it is really convenient to have integration available. So we are working on it. As soon as it's ready, we'll let you guys know. But because we can offer great product at a great price and in a really, really quick time frame, we thought we'd start and offer our service to you guys now. Okay, cool. So now we're on our customize page. Okay, and the first thing I'm going to do is I am going to select my size and color. So let's say for test customer one, I'm going to do a medium and I am going to do a pink shirt. So let's confirm that. Cool. So now here you see your pink shirt, and you see you'll have two different views at the bottom here. One is your front, one is the back. And just by clicking between these, you can view the different sides. So this is the back side, the front side. Okay, cool. So next thing is uploading my image, right? So I've got a few images here already, but I'm just going to upload one just to show you guys. So I want to upload this one. Let's upload from my device. It's basically the same image, but that's fine. It's uploading, uploading, uploading. My internet's a bit slow today, so I apologize for that. It's nearly there. Okay, so while that's loading, I just want to bring your attention to the bottom here. It gives you the price of the tea, right? So if you had selected a 2XL, it would be slightly higher than this. But this gives you the price of your order as you've created it. Right, so now here we have our image and we have these really cool little 4 buttons on each corner here, and they allow you to either resize your product, your image, your design, and I just need to draw your attention to the fact that we have this, you'll see there's this little rectangle here, right? Your design has to fit in within this rectangle. If it goes outside of the rectangle, you'll see that your design is actually cut off, and it'll give you this little warning saying that, you know what, it's actually your image is too big. It's not going to print properly. So whatever you design, whatever you upload, however you resize, just make sure it's within the parameters of this little box. So that's your resize. You can also delete the image, your design, choose another one. You can move it around. So if I want it more centered at the top, or you can actually just twist it, not twist it, flip it. Right, so let's do, for this one, let's do an upside down logo. Ooh, there you go. Okay, then move this. Cool, I'm happy with this. Looks slightly weird to me, but okay, that's fine. Cool, now I want to do the backside as well. And I'm just going to upload an image that I already have. Backstory prints, it's at the back, so I want it slightly smaller. I want it slightly more at the top. Cool. So here's my backside design and my front side design. One thing that I want to tell you guys is that you can kind of recolor your designs using this tool right here. So you click, so once you've uploaded your design, you click these little 3 circle things and it'll load an editor for you. So, you know, you can use different filters, which is pretty cool. I know a lot of you guys are probably using Photoshop and you're just doing it within Photoshop itself. But if you want something quick and easy, or if you're not too familiar with Photoshop, then this will help you for sure. You can adjust your brightness, or that's really horrible, or your saturation, contrast, etc. You can also adjust the lenses that your design is viewed through. You can actually draw stuff on it. Okay, you can put frames around it. It's loading and taking forever. So you can do frames. You can also crop it and resize it. So it's completely there's a whole bunch of things you can do. And I find it pretty useful. For now, I'm not going to do anything. Okay, cool. So now I've got my design front and back. You'll see that my price has increased now from 8.45 to 11.90 just because I've added this back design, right? So there's an extra charge for that. And now what I'm going to do is I'm actually going to save this design and I'm going to call it backstory upside or upside down. Save as new copy. Cool. So what this will do is that if we want to come back later and let's say we have another customer that ordered the same design but with a different shirt color and a different size, it's very easy to just come in and place that order. Cool. So we've done that. Now I'm going to add to cart. And it's just loading. Okay, cool. So here you'll see is another shirt that I did earlier. I'm just going to remove this one for now. And I am going to check out. Okay, cool. So next page, you'll see your shipping address. So this will be the customer shipping address. Wherever we need to ship this product, you will put that address here, right? Also, as you know, we are print on demand, so we will not include any invoices, packing lists, or any kind of documentation with our name or our logo or our address or our phone number. We won't include any of that on or with the package. So the shipping address will be your customer's address, and you don't have to worry about us, sending anything with any branding on it. However, if you do have packaging or branding that you want us to use, just reach out to us at helpme@backstoryprints.com or give us a call or drop me a mail at monique@backstoryprints.com or chat with us. And we'll definitely help you set up your packaging so that we can ship your products in your packaging. Okay, cool. So now we're at the shipping page. So standard shipping, $4 anywhere in the US. That's done. Continue to payment. Okay, so here you've got your email address, where it's shipping to, shipping method. And here, okay, before we get to entering the credit card details, here you'll see it has the billing address. So this will be your address, right? Whatever address is associated with your card, you'll use it here. In this case, since I'm using a dummy credit card, I'm just going to put my billing address as the same as my shipping address. You can also just check this little box to save your information for later. So it'll save your credit card information and your billing address, and it'll attach it to your phone number so that you can actually retrieve that information securely, and it'll send you a code every time you need to retrieve that information to your phone. So I'm not going to do that right now, but you are more than welcome to do it and make it a lot quicker. So I'm just going to quickly enter a card number here. Once again, like I said, this is a completely dummy card because I'm currently, what am I doing? This is just a dummy card. So 09, let's do 0921 and 456. Okay, and we're done. We've got our printing, we've got our shipping, we've got our shipping address is correct. Cool. Now we're just going to pay. Perfect. So there we go. We're done. Your orders now, we've now received your order and we will print it and ship it to your customer. Now, let's just quickly go back to our account page so you can actually see your order there. So here's your order that we've just placed. It's paid. It shows as unfulfilled right now. As soon as we've printed your order, it'll show as fulfilled and it'll have a tracking number, which you can then also share with your customers, right? So that's basically the process. So it's going to be a lot quicker once you've actually uploaded all your designs. And I'll just quickly show you. So let's say, for example, now we've got another customer that's ordered the same design Bella Canvas 6400. They've ordered exactly the same design, but it's a different size. So I just go to my Bella Canvas 6400 after I've logged in, remember. Go there, load, load, load. Hopefully your internet's a lot faster than mine. I go to My Save Designs with this little file thingy here. Go to My Save Designs. Here we go. Okay. Oh, and this customer actually, she ordered a 2XL and she ordered it in white. Confirm. There you go. Right, so you've got your design on the front, you've got your design on the back. That's it. Save design. Oh, not save design, sorry. We've already saved that design. Add to cart. Check out. And follow the entire checkout process again. So put your customer's shipping address, continue to shipping, put in the credit card details. If you've saved them, you don't have to put them in again. And then that's it. So it's super simple, it's super quick. And we're all about having a human connection. I know that sometimes that is missing in this industry. So with us, it's all about having that connection and us helping you build your business. So if you have any suggestions on what we can add in terms of products, in terms of features, please let me know. Reach out to me directly, like I've said, on Monique at backstoryprints.com. And yeah, we're here to help and we're super excited to have you. All right, guys. Well, good luck and see you soon. Okay, bye.